Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. So guys, yes, as you guys know, today was 1st of February 2021 and today was a union budget day, and there was a lot of things happening today. The market was very volatile. The market closed with 4.74% up, that is at 14,281.20. Yes, market rised very good today. So yes, at the opening there was not much of upside movement in the market. Okay, it was coming down, but later after 10 o'clock, if you guys can see, the market went all the way up. Okay, so the market went all the way up, and now let me tell you what all events happened today and what are the things changed in the budget. Okay, and watch this video till the end to get all the interesting fact and recap about the union budget which has affected in the stock market today. And before that, if you're liking the content of my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, and if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So now let me tell you what happened today on the budget day. So guys, yes, there was only 3 stock which closed in the negative. That is Hindu Unilever with minus 0.37% down, TechM with minus 1.58% down, and Dr. Reddy with 3.62% down, and all the other stock ended in a positive way. And as you can see, all the banking sector were and the financial sector were in a leading position today. For example, if you guys can see here, IndusInd Bank closed at 15.16% up, ICICI Bank closed with 13.41% up, Bajaj Finance closed with 11.46% up, and SBI stock with 11.06% up, and LT with 9.30% up, and HDFC with 8.58% up. So those were the most gained stocks. And as you can see here, most of the banking sector stock and the financial sector stock have moved up very good today. So here, coming to some of the facts what happened today. So yes, market records the biggest ever budget day gain in absolute terms. So a lot of budget days haven't happened in the previous years, but this time it has been a biggest ever. And financials are the biggest market movers, lift Nifty by 374 points up. So as I shown you in the previous slide, so a lot of stocks and financial services were which moved up very well. Nifty Bank rises to top record high and post the biggest one day gain ever. So Nifty Bank made a biggest highest in one day ever, and mid caps rises but not as much as a large caps. The index is up over 3% up, and Sensex gains 2315 points to 48,601 points, and Nifty 647 to 14,281. Nifty Bank claims 2,524 points, that is to 33,089, and mid cap index rises to 691 points, that is to 21,601, and BSE adds market cap of 6.62 lakh crore, and the total market cap recorded high was 139 lakh crore. And 45 Nifty stock closes in the green. IndusInd Bank, ICICI, Bajaj Finance and SBI were the top gainers, and PSU Bank raises on budget announcement of 2 divestment in financial year 2022, and financial minister announcing FDI rise to 74% helps insurance sector gain, and ITC raises more than 6% on no mention of cigarette cess hikes, and NCC, Hedge, IDBI, ITD, Chola, RBL amongst top mid cap gainers. So these stocks in the mid cap, they moved it very well today. So guys, yes, this is how it happened today in the budget, and this was some fact and this was some record what it has been recorded today on the budget day. Okay, so yes, this was about the budget, and if you like this video, do give a like for this video. And if you guys want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, you can join us now. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.